Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm at the government farm on the island of Gran Canaria. Just walked in here and the first thing I stumbled upon, couldn't be better. Parcela frutal tropical. I think I don't need to translate this. Here is the tropical stuff. Well, however, this stuff here looks more like olives. Yeah, definitely, that's an olive. Well, not so tropical, but okay. Some sugar cane, behind it some anona, maybe a chirimoya. Strange. But the part with the mangoes is just called frutal, not frutal tropical. Very strange. So the olives here are seen as more tropical than the mangoes. Well, let's walk in here. More olives. They sure seem to like their olives here. Well, let me put down at least the big backpack. I'm a little bit loaded here. So, okay. Now, continuing just with light luggage, let's see what we have. Mango season is over, unfortunately. From time to time you find an out-of-season mango, but that's rare. Well, at least I found some out-of-season apples. Seems to be more common than out-of-season mangoes. Some type of pink or red banana here. However, no sign, so I cannot say what it is. This looks like some strange ungrafted seedling lemon or maybe lime. Maybe you can tell me your opinion on it. Stuff grows in clusters, lots of small and a couple big fruit. Well, let's continue. Under those olives, what's on the other side? Oranges, guavas. Strange. There is the agricultural school here, and usually in a school garden you have signs, like you make the students paint the signs if you have no other way to do them, and here no signs. Platanera, well, bananas are the backbone of the Canary Islands agriculture, although in Gran Canaria tomatoes might be more important. But yeah, that's why they have a whole bunch, and they look like the typical dwarf Cavendish. Yeah, no mistake on that. Behind that there seems to be a vineyard, but let's look at the tropical fruit first. Some avocados. They have a giant avocado collection in the Canary Islands. It seems it's mostly in Tenerife, but it seems it comes mostly, or at least a big part of it, from Gran Canaria. Lots of different avocados. Those were round. Those here are elongated, more husk-like. Here is a tree with a lot of unpollinated fruit. Those cute teeny tiny sausage-like avocados. Here is a tree of aguacate liso, or smooth seedling avocado. Look at this, it's so smooth and shiny. Once I put it in the light, it's even more shiny. Loquats, they're gonna be ripe in a month or two. One of the first fruits of the year. More avocados. Pomegranates. Oh, look! The first loquats are already ripe. That's crazy. Loquats in December. Wow, I might try and make a video on this. I like out-of-season fruit. Well, I mean, loquats here, they kind of have some quite irregular flowering and fruiting pattern, but now is the time to flower. And this one also has one or two ripe fruits. Really strange. Plums. They sure love their European fruit here in the Canary Islands, despite the subtropical climate. Actually, most of the tropical stuff only got introduced fairly recently. Oh, kumquat. This seems to be Fortunella japonica, I think. Quite interesting. What have we got here? More olives. A flamboyant. usually not considered edible, but we proved that it is kind of edible. Oh my god, I wondered what is. Oh my god, I think this is tribulus. Look at my shoe. Well, this is one naughty fruit. That hurts, man. At least it hurts where my soles are a little bit thinner, where they are thick. It's not a big problem. If we got here, moringa hanging full of fruit. Tree cotton, but a brown variety. Well, that's interesting for like ecological clothing, because you don't need to dye them. You can mix them with white cotton and create patterns. So brown tree cotton, interesting. Oh, what was this here again? This looks like some relative of the strawberry guava, but it's definitely no strawberry guava. It starts getting interesting, folks. This is something quite interesting. Well, crystal salad, very tasty stuff. It should be more common. A macadamia tree, but the only fruit I see on it is a nest. Yeah, they do fruit here in the Canary Islands, but I guess they already harvested them because the season is over. A feijoa, or pineapple guava. I noticed that I'm dehydrated and haven't slept well, so I think I'm not very fit right now. Well, you'll have to somehow live with my tumbling and mumbling. Some other type of guava. This is again not Psidium guayava, this is some other species. But no signs again, folks. I'm sure somebody who works here knows what this stuff is, but that's not enough for me if I'm walking around alone. More pineapple guava. What is this? Looks like tamarind, but looks like the main stem died. And those are some shoots. Yeah, it's tamarind. Lots of olives. They use the olives here to fence in land to mark the borders of their property, but here they have a fence, so why so many olives? Maybe wind protection. Yeah, definitely olives. Here an Coca-Cola. No fruit on this one. It should be more or less this season, but strange. Here a pitanga. Nice, but also no fruit. Strange, not a single fruit. Again, some sugar cane. A white sapote. There are a couple people here who have good varieties of white sapote, but mostly it's some bitter seedling varieties. And this here, well, it's not in season. Well, here we have some anonas. This looks like Soursop. Yeah, pretty sure it's Soursop, but the only fruit, yeah, the fruit look like Soursop or guanabana. They are all on the ground rotting. Actually, here is a bigger fruit. Yeah, there are a couple fruit here. Definitely Soursop. This looks the same. Also like Soursop. Yes, it is. Oh God, I need some sleep and some water and some coffee. The only thing I had this morning was a hearty breakfast, and yeah, didn't even take water with me. More pineapple guava. Well, this thing, I think it's a chirimoya, but could also be a couple other things. As long as I see no fruit on it, I have no means of recognizing it. Another pineapple guava. Another chirimoya-like thing. No fruit. What a pity, what a pity, what a pity. Huh. Okay. More guanabana here. Yeah, seems like they have guanabana and two things which look like chirimoya, though this is their anona collection. Very small collection compared to what I've heard they have in Tenerife, but I haven't been able to visit the place in Tenerife. Oh, here finally some pitanga. Finally, something we can eat. Some ripe fish pitanga. They are so spicy, they are not gonna quench my thirst, on the contrary, but still, I need something juicy. Now this looks like strawberry guava. So they seem to have several guava, not just varieties, but species. They seem to like moringa, they have a lot of it, don't ask me why. They are planting it in rows. This is too tight together since the trees can grow quite large. I think maybe this was a type of nursery and they did not transplant them soon enough, because those things will grow into one huge moringa tree. Oh, where did my backpack go? Don't tell me somebody just collected my backpack. No, it's still behind this bush. Okay, for one moment I was a tiny bit worried. Okay, let's continue. I think we saw almost everything, but there are a couple more things here. Well, actually just one thing we haven't seen yet. Subtomanda betacea, the tree tomato, last but not least. Well, folks, this was the tropical fruit parcel. Well, and also here, wait, don't run away yet. And also a couple little guavas which are already mummified on the plant. What a pity. Well, not much, but still very interesting. So folks, I'll try to do a couple more videos about this government farm. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Gran Canaria. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.